Hello, welcome to Introduction to Theater, the THEA 104. I am the professor of this class, Professor James McNamara. I teach in the Theater Arts program here at Westfield State University. My specialization is lighting and sound design, but this class is kind of a general overview of theater, how to read plays, how to analyze plays, and how to kind of enjoy theater and experience theater. So as you come into your course shell, you'll see over here on the side, on the left side, you've got some communication tools, some announcements, Plato help and resources. Start here is where I would like you to start, right? There's a course information page. You will find the syllabus in the start here. You'll find the textbook that we will be using. You'll find a link to rent the textbook online, and you can read my bio. So read my bio and find out a little bit more about me. There's also some useful links here for the university, the academic honesty policy, student conduct policy, disability services, and a link to the bookstore. So that will all be found right here in the Start Here section. If we go to week 1, you'll see a welcome to week 1, and you can follow right here. We've got post a bio in the Introduce Yourself forum, read the empty space project assignment, post your short description of your empty space project. Please post a short and thoughtful response to 2 other student bios. Please watch the following YouTube video of Westfield State Theater Arts Programs, video number 2, and ask any questions via the Ask the Instructor discussion forum. All assignments will be due on Sunday at 11:59 p.m., the end of the day. So here we go, introduce yourself. This discussion forum is where you can write your short bio. The empty space project, this, if you click here, will open a PDF of the description of the project. And it didn't open, it just downloaded it. So the empty space project is right here. Here's a short description. So the empty space project forum will, you'll leave your project. The assignment 1 Dropbox will be another place. And this is a short video that you can watch. And then if you have any questions, ask James a question right here. Hi. Please post course-related questions here. For anything of a more personal nature, please use the message tool or email me at my Westfield email, jmcnamara@westfield.ma.edu. If we go to week 2, we're going to read a short section on reading and understanding drama. You will write a 1-page response to the reading packet, and you'll write a 1-paragraph thoughtful response to 2 of your classmates' response in the reading packet number 1 discussion forum. I'd also like you to blog about your favorite play. What's your favorite play? And again, ask James a question. That'll always be here. You can also write a journal entry on your first theatrical experience, and this will all be due the following Sunday at midnight. Please, if you have any questions or concerns, ask me a question, email me directly, or use the message tool within Plato. Thank you so much, and I look forward to spending the semester with you.